Great morning and welcome to Crypto Vault. At this point, the cost of Cardano is $0.517742, while the coin presently ends up at 8th spot in the general positioning. The said positioning is assessed based on the resource's current value that is duplicated by its ongoing business sector capitalization, an equation that is applied all through every monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with a goal that our clients get the most applicable information in regards to the presentation of advanced assets in their portfolios. It's additionally vital to consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing. On May 13, the cost of Cardano was at $0.473964 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 5.46%. 7 days prior, on May 7, ADA was esteemed at $0.783315, and that intends that from that point forward, the cost has changed by 0%. A month prior, on April 14, the market member laid out the cost of Cardano at $0.974729. Along these lines, the coin has made a 46.88% move to arrive at its current standings. Recently, on May 13, ADA had a market capitalization of $15.990,175,155. Keep going week, on May 7, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $26,491,914,761. A month prior, on April 14, the market worth of Cardano was surveyed to be $32,899,590,330. Throughout recent hours, the exchanging volume related with ADA arrived at the place of $1,168,734,790. Recently, on May 13, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $2,798,916,399. 7 days prior, on May 7, how much ADA that was traded between market members was assessed at $1,312,488,321. In conclusion, the circling supply is utilized to work out the market capitalization and evaluate the coin's ongoing remaining in the positions. It signifies the general measure of ADA that is buy and buy exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly put unavailable for general use out of the blue. It's by and large accepted that cryptographic forms of money that have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million are the most appropriate for long-haul speculation, since they are probably going to appreciate in esteem throughout a drawn-out time frame, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this point, Cardano has a circling supply of 33,820,262,544 coins. With long-haul projections of a seismic monetary shift towards crypto, in the wake of neglecting to hold the $50,000 edge, Bitcoin is holding around $45,000 in September. Further in this video you will find out about Cardano price prediction. In the interim, the second biggest bias team in the crypto block Ethereum is beating Bitcoin, contacting a September high of around $3,900 per Ether token. In the midst of the quest for the substantial bearing, when there is projected to beat Bitcoin this year, crypto financial backers are pursuing the most sweltering in the square Cardano's ADA, with a value focus of $3, with an ongoing cost in the scope of $2.4 and $2.5 per unit. Since Cardano is in the best 10 crypto, many individuals have intensely put resources into this coin. Subsequently, giving a level of your portfolio to Cardano also is significant. Perusing ADA value prediction from various sources will assist dealers with settling on the best choice. The declaration of the Alonzo overhaul, for the most part the savvy contract highlight, by CEO Charles Hoskinson, has emphatically impacted financial backer opinion. The value flood of ADA over the most recent 2 months or so is essentially upheld by the fruitful send-off of the Alonzo testnet and the fast approaching appearance of the Alonzo mainnet hard fork. albeit, bullish value projection of ADA is above $4 per unit. Will it hold and ascend against the Goliaths in 2022 when international strife is at its pinnacle and worldwide purchaser request is still far beneath typical? ADA cost is supposed to hit a record-breaking high in September, supported by factors like more extensive crypto market rally, the send-off of shrewd agreement usefulness like Ethereum, and generally better environmentally friendly power energy certifications against energy-escalated peers like Bitcoin. We should dig further and track down what makes Cardano ADA hot crypto in the short and long haul. In any case, prior to money management and perusing ADA price prediction, it is essential to know what the coin really is and how much should dealers contribute. What is Cardano ADA? Cardano, a blockchain-centered cryptographic money organization, was established by ex-prime supporter of Ethereum Charles Hoskinson in 2017 with a market cap of $600 million. Subsequent to leaving Ethereum, Hoskinson established a blockchain designing organization named Input Output Hong Kong firm, IOHK, with an attention on killing difficulties of slow and rigidity of Bitcoin, security, and versatility of Ethereum. Dissimilar to evidence of work conventions of Bitcoin and Ethereum, Cardano utilizes an energy-proficient verification of stake convention named Ouroboros. The greatest confirmation of stake digital currency, utilized only 6 GWh every year, as against the 110.53 TWh utilized by the Bitcoin network. Very much like Bitcoin, the Cardano stage has ADA as the settlement layer to monitor exchanges. This local digital money of Cardano capacities as a way to pay for administrations on the stage. The computational second layer of Cardano is like Ethereum, empowering designers to make brilliant agreements and decentralized applications. The innovation biological system is profoundly inventive. After the Gauguin Way, the $78 billion market cap crypto major is carrying out decentralized finance (DeFi) administrations, including a move up to empower savvy contracts and the capacity to fabricate decentralized applications (dApps). Everything revolves around making crypto exchange basic, so Cardano offers network client smooth exchanging and move of assets utilizing crypto trades like Upbit, Binance, Digaflex, and some more. Since security and adaptability are huge difficulties, clients could keep coins securely in Daedalus, the crypto wallet of Cardano. Cardano technical analysis. ADA broke the $1 obstruction on February 20, 2022, and the eagerly awaited $2 focus on May 14, 2022. As of now, it is exchanging at $2.61 with an exchanging volume, 24 hours, of $8.47 billion. In spite of the fact that Cardano ADA is in red 4.92%, as of now, it is holding in the $2.4 and $2.6. With projections of hitting $3 in September, ADA is at present the most forceful digital currencies on the square. As far as its market standing, ADA, the market capitalization of ADA, contacted the $99 billion imprint on September 9, however is at present at $85.15, with exchanging volume contacting $7.8 billion. A large portion of the crypto examination stages are at present positioning Cardano ADA at 0.3, making it the best energy-proficient digital money, with the evidence of stake convention. Going ahead, in a 3-month range, ADA is projected to contact the $4 mark this year, assuming all works out positively for more extensive crypto market feeling and Cardano's tech overhauls. ADA price prediction. The 2022 value pattern of Cardano ADA is showing solidarity to strength up development, making it quite possibly the most confided in player in the crypto space. The ascending channel design shows higher highs and higher lows, demonstrating a bullish meeting breaking the opposition level and hitting another high before long. Helped by the more extensive bullish crypto market pattern added by tech updates, ADA is probably going to beat peers in the short range. ADA coin value forecast can be erroneous on the grounds that the pattern of the crypto market can change at any point in the near future. Despite the fact that cost level isn't the pointer, the Relative Strength Index (RSI) at 56.53 shows an overbought condition, meaning merchants are more sure about vertical development. The simple moving average and the exponential moving average of ADA have a few rounds of bullish moves, trailed by solidification, change, and revisions in the vertical direction. Cardano Coin Price Prediction 2022. Going by the cost development pattern of Cardano, it very well may be handily expressed that there are solid bullish signs. Worldwide monetary and international patterns demonstrate that the market will stay great for crypto, and this will incline toward ADA more, as the blockchain major is sending off the Alonzo mainnet hard fork to empower brilliant agreements. You will see the coin will hit a $4 esteem before the current year's over.